I'm actually from Cork, close enough to Lilly and Kinsale, so I suppose growing up, it was always a name that I was familiar with. I just really want to be part of a company that, made such a difference to people's lives through their work and their medicine.
I've been here at Eli Lilly for nearly 10 years. Anybody that's thinking of applying, I think you should. I was an electrician before we started.
Yeah, I was the same. I came from a logistic background.
I was supervising for about 15 years before I joined Lilly in retail. There was only 2 days off in the week. If you got your 2 days off together, you were very lucky, whereas I find with shift work and in Lilly, it's just so much easier to plan your life.
I think the work-life balance is probably the best part. It's so much fun on the 4 days off.
Not many people would have 4 days off with their kids. They're off Saturday and Sunday and you have to get the housework done, the shopping done and all that malarkey as well. Whereas I get 4 days off with them and I'm looking forward to going back to work.
It's handy. I'm not taking so much annual leave. I have a cousin over in London, kind of just work around when I'm off to go see her.
Plus you get cheaper flights on a Monday or a
Yeah,
Tuesday
exactly.
than you do on a Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
What I did notice when I joined Lilly is when you were on site, but when you're off site, you really do switch off, which I find really enjoyable.
There's a quiet room here, there's a gym here, there's exercise classes, canteen is very good. There's so many options, like just because you come in as an operator, you don't have to stay as an operator. And plus you get academic support as well, it's very positive.
Our first day was, I imagine, completely different to yours. We needed hard hats and gloves and high-vis and boots because we were on a building site.
When the opportunity arose to work in a startup, Lilly and Limerick, I just jumped at the opportunity. Opportunities like this don't come around very often.
There's a kind of a sense of community, I think, in Kinsale that will happen for you as well, but I do think with all the buildings and the way we interact, I think we do have our own little micro-community, even though we know we're part of a massive global business.
When I started, I was nervous that I wouldn't know anything, but everybody was so approachable. You could ask anybody anything.
Lilly fits everybody, really.
I think it's more down to how people
Interact.
Yeah.
Yeah, teamwork's a big thing.
If you're humming and hawing, thinking you don't have enough experience, don't think that at all. Apply straight away.
I started with 10 people and none of us worked in the industry. Everyone was different.
I found the interviews relaxed and comfortable. I think from then on I knew that I really wanted the job.
I was thrilled to bits when I got that phone call. I'm smiling that day and I'm smiling since.